Good afternoon, guys. Today I'm going to be working on a A1398 MacBook Pro with a swollen battery. As you can see, it's completely swollen. A lot of people struggle with getting these batteries out, but today I'm going to show you the trick on how to get this battery out without absolutely killing yourself. So we do require a couple of tools. We do need like a pry tool like this, T5 screwdriver, and of course a pentalobe 5 screwdriver to take the back cover off. Back cover is already taken off because it was pushing up and swelling out, so the computer wasn't sitting straight. But anyway, let's get started and then I'll show you exactly how it's done. So the first thing you're going to do is disconnect the battery. Under this plastic here you have a couple of screws. Just 2 screws, you got to take those out. We'll remove these out. Again, this is an A1398 15-inch MacBook Pro Retina display. The battery is absolutely glued in and can be an absolute nightmare getting it out. But the little method I'm going to show you today, it won't be so nerve-wracking. Okay, so I have this spray that I use, and it's called, you won't believe what it is, but it's good old Crc Electric Cleaner. This thing disintegrates the adhesive to nothing. It just melts it. So this will make it a lot easier to pry the battery out without piercing it. So what I do is, all I do is I just take it and I spray behind it. Spray behind. Let it soak for a little bit. Now let me tell you, this is a trick that they've been hiding from people for years. A lot of people have been using this and they don't want you to know. But guess what? Today I'm showing you what it is. I could care less. Whatever makes life easier. So you just spray a good enough amount. Get in there with your pry tool. And just pull up, and bingo. It's that easy, that simple. And being that this battery is swollen makes it a lot easier as well. So you start off, you get in a good little space, start prying, bingo. It's that easy, it's that simple. So a lot of people get intimidated by this and they don't want to do these type of repairs because they replace the whole bottom keyboard because the battery is hard to come out and it's too much work, it's too hard, and they might fear of piercing the battery and catching fire. See? Now I'm not even going to lie to you, the middle is a little bit more tedious, because it's pretty much the same concept, but it's just a little more tedious because everything is in the middle. But you know, we're gonna just spray some more in here. We're gonna just pry on. You know, there's no fear. The main thing you want to do is get it behind there, just spray it in there and let it soak. And once it gets behind there, believe me, it'll just start coming up. That's it. That easy. 1, 2, 3. I hope you guys learned something, and thanks for watching.